Go this way.
Don't play. Don't play.
Can you put the ball down so you can kick it? Okay, now kick it. You gotta kick it. Hmm? Oh, you throw it? Okay, I'll kick it to you.
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Yeah. Go. Kick. Kick it. You throw it to Lila? Throw it to Lila. Why? There's Maddie. Yeah. Sierra, is it raining?
Daddy.
Daddy's at work.
Daddy.
Hi, Lila. Ready? Oh. Thank you. Okay, ready? I'm going to kick it. You go get it. Get it. Whoa. Up. Somebody drop it. Drop it. Madison. All right, ready? Swing. I don't want to go on a swing. Why? Because it's raining. All right. Don't you want to run? Let's run. This way. Sierra, let's run. Let's run. Race. Ready? Race. Drop it, Maddie. Okay, race. Race. Oh. Boom. Race. Swing. We'll go on the swing this way. Let's go this way. Truck, right? Is that a blue truck? Ooh. Where are you going?
Mommy, yeah.
They have to stay over there. They can go around the other way.